To monitor Authorize Net Webhook validation, you first need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are callbacks made by Authorize Net to your server to notify you of events such as successful payments or failed transactions. Validation is crucial to ensure that the request is genuine and not a malicious attempt to access your system. Step 1 is to set up a webhook endpoint on your server. This is the URL that Authorize Net will send notifications to. The endpoint should be able to receive post requests and should be configured to handle the specific events you are interested in. Step 2 is to configure Authorize Net to send webhooks to your endpoint. You can do this by logging into your Authorize Net account and navigating to the Webhooks section. Here you will enter the URL of your endpoint and select the events you want to receive notifications for. Once you have set up your webhook endpoint and configured Authorize Net to send notifications, you need to validate the requests you receive. Authorize Net includes a signature in the header of each webhook request. You can validate this signature by using the signing key provided by Authorize Net and the JSON payload of the request. To validate the signature, you will need to base64 decode the signature. Create a new signature using the signing key and the JSON payload, and then compare the two signatures. If they match, the request is valid. It is also important to handle potential errors that may occur during the validation process. For example, if the signature does not match, you should not process the request and should log the error for further investigation. Best practices include keeping your signing key secure and only sharing it with trusted parties. You should also ensure that your webhook endpoint is secure and can only be accessed by authorized parties. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor Authorize Net webhook validation and ensure the security and integrity of your system. This will allow you to receive notifications of events in real time and take action accordingly, while also protecting yourself from potential security threats.